Hi, today let's make tasty chicken dum biryani at home without any kind of artificial colors or flavors. First, let's marinate the chicken with some basic spices which is at home. I've taken cleaned and washed chicken. I'm adding in turmeric powder, garam masala powder. Next, I'm adding in Kashmiri chilli powder, salt, cumin and coriander powder along with some ginger garlic paste. Next, I'm adding in some yogurt as well. After the yogurt, what I'm doing is adding in some mint leaves and coriander leaves, squeezing in some lemon juice, and then I'm adding in kasuri methi as well. Mix it really very well. Along with this, I'm adding another special thing which is cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon marinated. Trust me, this gives a great flavor. Marinate it overnight or 30 minutes is fine. Now let's boil the water for the rice. I've added in mint leaves, coriander leaves, cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon. Let the water boil. That is when you need to add in rice. For this, I'm adding in salt to taste as well. Next, I'm adding in this oil. This is the onion oil which I've added in. This gives great flavor. Squeeze in some lemon juice. I'm adding in basmati rice which I've soaked for at least 20 minutes, clean, washed, and then I'm slowly adding it. Just give it all of this a really very good mix. Don't mix too much, otherwise the rice will tend to break it. When the rice is now 70% cooked, take it, drain it, and keep it aside. Now in the pot, I've added in the onion oil along with some ghee and the marinated chicken. Onion oil gives a great flavor. If you don't have it while making the fried onions, if you don't have it, just add plain onion as well. Next, I'm adding in the fried onions as well. So while making this onion, the oil which was there, that is the onion oil. Mix it really very well. Cook it really very well. When the chicken is around 70% cooked, that is when you need to do the layering, where you need to add in this rice which is around 70 to 80% cooked. Slowly cover the gravy really very well with the rice. See to that every end is coated. Next, I'm adding in some mint leaves, coriander leaves. I'll add in some fried onions. Next, what I'm doing is I'll add in some ghee as well. This gives great flavor to the biryani. And then I'm adding in some saffron milk as well. Here I've soaked saffron with the hot milk. This gives great flavor for the biryani, so I'm not adding any kind of artificial colors. See, this is how it looks beautiful. Keep it in the dum in a very low flame for at least 20 minutes, and that's it. Your super simple, super tasty chicken dum biryani at home is ready. Very flavorful. Look at it, very beautiful. This is how it looks in the restaurant. Same thing you have made at home. Try making chicken biryani like this, and you can serve it hot with the raita of your choice, or just have it like this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to support. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy.